Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Crakathumb, innit? It's a Crakathumb, innit? So, I'm heading to the Vienna International Airport to continue my travel back to India. I'm heading back to India for 1 week. So, my flight is from 12. And I should be reaching India by tomorrow, Sunday, 21-ish EU time, at 11 p.m. So yeah, I'm really excited. And let me show you Madrid. This is how we look. This the stuff on the back. I'm just carrying one bag because when I booked the tickets, I forgot to take the option for the, the suitcase. So I don't have any sort of those. I wish they take these in because it's kind of heavy. But you know what I'm gonna know? So an average person maybe 70 kilograms. I am 60 kilograms. So I'm 10 kilograms lighter than an average person. So that can go into this bag. That's what I'm gonna say to the airport. Let's see that works. And this is how the room is gonna look like. It's fucking mess. Yeah, it was all of a sudden. It was everything was really fast. And yeah, here we are. It's almost, oh shit, let me flip it. So the time is almost 6:34. I have to start walking at 6:40. I would be there at 9. The flight is at 12. So, Also, it's been 3 years since I moved from India. At the age of 18, I moved out from India to Germany, 2 years in Germany, 1 year in Austria. And I am heading back to India after getting a college. And it's gonna be a journey, people. I'm planning to make a vlog or make some videos on when I reach India. So that's gonna be cool. Well, peace out, people. I don't want to waste time. I really appreciate this experience. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, let me turn that off. Peace out, people. Peace out.